Well, hello there, family. IslandGirl here. Now, this YouTube situation is giving me anxieties in the worst way. Oh my God, I can feel it. It's coming, people. It's coming out. You guys are in this. And listening to Dodash and Dante, man. Oh my God, them people telling the truth. So I just wanted to let y'all know I've been, really making sure that I look at other creators and see what they're talking about, and then come back on here and share what I found and if I've tried it and if it's worked for me. I just wanted to share information with you guys. That's what I'm gonna be about. I'm gonna be about talking about my gig jobs that I'm currently looking for, and I am going to talk about what creator I looked at and what they had to say and what I have switched up and changed and implement that has worked for me so far. So far, my views have went up. I'm from Dante, listening to Dante and Dodash. And I was listening to Dodash first. So she's my number one first. That really took my breath away with just how real she was. So I'm coming to find out that people are wanting real. They want to just your real situations, what you got to offer. But in my being, I love helping people. So if I'm trying something or I'm jumping into this bandwagon with everybody else, I want to learn and try different things out there. Sorry, I look a mess. Stay focused. All right, so I done got a notepad now. Taking notes. People taking notes. I'm up till 2, 3 o'clock, like Dante said, researching and listening to other creators. Oh my God, it is so much information. It's so much to learn. I thought it was just gonna be okay. I turn on my camera, I talk or say what I'm trying to fix my book here, and talk and say what I have to say, and then I'll start getting the views and blah 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 blah. If you're not down with posting and being consistent every day, and down with working this every day, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. I did it all this week. I've started. I think I started last week, which was right before the first, or right at the first, and then before the first, and then now I can see the views are going up. The subscribers this week is only 6. But that's okay. I think I'm moving in the right direction. Okay? So maybe you looking for hundreds. I'm good with just a few, because even the few little comments I got, I'm like, oh, okay, I gotta answer them. I see the comment, I gotta answer. And somebody had the nerve to call me a whale. That's what Dodash was talking about. Little nasty comments. So you know what I did? I liked it. And I loved it. I can't remember if I said thank you or not. I think I said thank you. They need love too. They need love. And I now realized that. I thought I was going to be, oh my God, he called me a whale. Nope. I just kept on scrolling. Okay? That's what you're going to have to do. Because I know for sure they're going to come with a little smart comments. Are they going to be nasty? Are they going to be mean? A lot of this, YouTube held me back from my forehead and my lips and my round face. I was thinking about that, like people would, criticize me about how I look in my face and so on and so forth. So I was ready for that. The whale thing didn't really take me too back. I was like, okay, here it comes. There it is. Started. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys real quick. I'm gonna not real quick, but I'm gonna try to make this video about 20 minutes, like everyone is saying, or a little bit less. But the time go by like that when you get on here talking. So now I like I say, I listen to Dante, I listen to Dodash, and I also am starting to listen to, oh gosh, I meant to write his name down, but anyway, I'm about to play a quick video here, his page, and I did implement what he's saying in his video, and I've also been seeing change. I first went to what Dante said, I think it was yesterday, about looking at your YouTube studios. I did download that app. That's when I started realizing, oh my God, look at the videos that's getting the most views, and look at the subscribers, and showing you your demographics and stuff like that. Now I need to definitely look onto that some more, because I want to learn that as well. So I'm telling you, this ain't no just getting on the camera and talking. You got to start looking and see what works for people. Now, what works for your community. Now, I see for my community, they like when I put them little filters on and I'm looking all cute and trying to be cute. Don't know why that's getting so many views, but it is. The talking, I don't know if it's my voice yet. I don't know if it's my accent. I don't know. I'm just got to figure it out, okay? I got to go back to the other videos and see exactly what I was talking about and how I sounded, to see why some of them are getting some good views and some of them are not. All right. Then I think it's a Terra smart tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna play his video, and I want y'all to take heed to what he has to say, and I want y'all to do that to y'all's channel, because I've done it and I have been seeing some change. All right, Ataya smart tutorial. Okay, I hate that I forgot to write his name down, but it definitely is helping. Now, if you feel like this channel is bringing you some value and you would like to subscribe for more, please do so. I am really trying to get to my goal of 50, where I can be live, where I can just jump on here just sporadically and talk about stuff that I've learned. Because when I learn it, my anxiety builds up, and then I have to go on and write it down, you know, to say what I'm going to talk about in the video. So I'm starting to do that a little bit more, starting to take notes and write. So if you do feel like this is bringing you value to your new channel, and you want to share, you want to subscribe, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. So tomorrow,
a few moments later.
so when my video got cut off, the enemy's trying. He's trying again to give me a setback, but I refuse to give in. Anywho, I got to figure out now how to get my videos from stop cutting off by saying my memory's full. So that's another hurdle I will cross, and we just gonna keep it moving. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Start implementing it. And I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And I love you guys. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Until then, take it easy.
In need of now at my YouTube studio, that is the dashboard. Okay, so please watch this video keenly and carefully so that you know what to do next. All right, so now those of you who don't know how to actually get to your YouTube studio or your dashboard, what you've got to do is that you should have the Chrome on your phone, and then at the search space over here, that is the search space with the address bar over here, you just enter studio.youtube.com. it will open for you straight away. It's very simple. Okay, if you have any challenge, you put at the comment section, I'll assist you. Now you are the studio. And so you check at the left side over here, you could see that we have some options here. at this side. Good. And then we are going to use what we call customization. Let me check for you to actually see it very well. That is it, the customization, and that is how it appears over here. You click on the customization, as you can see clearly. That is a customization over there. You click on that, and then when you get to the customization section over here, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to hover. You see now it's at the profile, so you hover to the home tab. That is this one. So you click on the home tab. Good. And now you make sure that this particular button is already ticked. Yes, I think one of my recent videos actually showed you how to tick this one. So now that it is ticked, it's now in deep white. So the next thing you have to do is that you just scroll down. Those of you, sometimes you may check and then it's not ticked like this. So when it's not ticked like this, please, it may be like this one. So if it's like this, you may not see the features I'm going to talk about down here. So make sure you tick it so that it shows deep white like this. Now you scroll down, just scroll down, and then you get to this side where we have the for you. Now you click on the settings over here. Now in that recent video I made, I actually took time to explain to you these ones, but in this particular video we are going down here. Good. And so it says all content. See, the all content that's recommended one is actually selected now in this setting. So that, for the sake of this tutorial, I actually turn it like this. Okay, so this is what we are going to do to get the views and the subscribers that you need, and that is what.
So I hope you enjoyed just that little snippet of that video, because I am implementing a lot of the things he's advising us as new creators to do, and so far it has been working for me. All right, so just that little snippet there. I did change to my page, and I did notice I am getting a lot more views doing that. Anyway, you guys, I just want to tell y'all, thank y'all again. I appreciate y'all. My next little clip is just a prayer for all of us to be able to help and support each other and to make it to my goal. I got a goal this week of getting at least 50 subscribers. So I appreciate anyone that decided to jump on my community and follow. Alrighty, you guys have a good night, good day, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys, and thank you. And again, take it easy.